Don't dada to the line, don't dada to the line, don't dada, don't dada.
Bros, you know say I dey enjoy this your music where you dey do for me, oh. I swear I dey enjoy am well.
How far now? You get this particular game where I been see you where you upload.
Which girl be that one again?
You been post a picture for WhatsApp, for your WhatsApp. You been post a picture for your WhatsApp. Was it last week, man? But how far now? That girl fine way low.
You know say them dey rush me anyhow. I just dey change them like change over. Bros, reason me which one you dey talk about? I dey post different girls anyhow.
I think it was on Wednesday. Yes, now Wednesday. That girl she been wear pink clothes like that. But that girl hot die. Now who she be?
Okay. Now Stacy now. Oh boy. That girl na small thing sef, bros. You no know me again. Oh boy, I dey see there plenty for my hand. That one sef na smally wey be say I don even finish with am sef, bros. Me and her don break up now. I don leave her. Na me break up with her. No be say na she use me. Na me break up with her. I leave her like this. Oh boy, plenty fishes dey for market now, bros.
Will you keep quiet?
Oh boy. You dey hot oh.
Yes, them they rush me anyhow. Oh. They rush me like say na eba. They rush me, bros. You don't know me. The name where they call me sef na shawarma.
Oh my god.
Correct.
Link me now. Link your guy. I feel like get that girl control.
No wahala now. You no get problem.
Correct guy.
I get a number for my head sef.
Jesus!
Carry your phone.
No be lie. Where my phone dey sef? Okay. Alpha. Yeah, call am.
081 55 23 42 75.
Make I call her.
Oya call am na, they come.
You wan comot?
Make I collect something na.
No wahala. Make I call her.
The number you dial is not correct.
Jesus!
Please try again
Chai.
later.
Don dada.
Don't dada to the line, don't dada.
See my brother, let me tell you something. As you watch that video, you know like am. You know like am. Oya click the like button, the thumbs up, comment and share. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos. Correct guy. Don dada say so.
Don't dada to the line, don't dada.